you guys are in the business of making power, you have an LS engine, you want some cylinder heads with some CNC machine porting, Gwatney Performance Innovation, they do an awesome job. As you can see here, they've completely decked these heads, glass beaded them, made them look brand new, redid the guys for me, hand lapped the valves. We got a 3-angle valve job. They'll do up to a 5-angle valve job, which this actually looks like a 5-angle valve job. Very nicely done. They surface all the surfaces, meaning the intake gasket mounting points, the exhaust gasket, and they deburr the whole cylinder head so that when you're handling it, you're not going to cut yourself. They're in Arkansas. They've been doing it for a long time. If you guys just want regular work done, they'll do a rebuild for you. If you want stages of performance done, they'll do that as well. As you can see here, I've got it CNC ported all the way through the exhaust port and all the way through the intake port, all the way down to where the bowls live, where the valve seats. They've done multiple heads for me and I've had nothing but good luck out of them. All I gotta do is put my springs, retainers, and keepers in it, put the valves back in, and I got me a new set of Gwatney Performance Innovation cylinder heads to go on my LS3.